Hello, this is Beverly. I'm doing an unboxing video of my scrapbook.com order that I just got today. It has my new die cutting machine in it, which I'm very excited about because my other one broke. And it's pretty exciting. I got the Spellbinders. Oops, let me turn that. Platinum 6. I've never used the Spellbinders before. I had a Vagabond that I loved. I loved it so much that I ended up making it, I killed it. Anyway, so sometimes when you buy stuff from scrapbook.com, they send you some free stuff too, and you have to put it in your cart. So I knew I was getting them. I got this cool little shape die. It says it's a tag and it says yay, so that was free. And I also got this scraper, which will be nice for mixed media stuff and using for stencils and things like that, and some ephemera from Echo Park. And then I also ordered a new Tim Holtz retractable craft knife because my other one, apparently I must have been really having a rough day with things because I broke that one too. So I will unbox the rest of this and show you my very first cut. Okay, so I thought maybe you'd like to see what's in this box also, so I waited to share it with you. We'll get back to this in a minute. This looks like a crank, the handle for that. This is the Spellbinders machine that is exclusive to scrapbook.com. That's why it's black. And I happen to really like Spellbinders dies, so when my Sizzix Vagabond died, and they don't make them anymore, I would have bought another one. I decided to go with the Spellbinders unit because I know that their dies are really great, and so for me, all the machines are probably really fabulous, but I just wanted to make sure that I had something that would work really well for my work, and I happen to use a lot. Isn't that pretty? I happen to use my die cutting machines a lot, so probably I should read the instructions. Anyway, there's a tool-in-one special edition die cutting tool. I have a purple one. I didn't know I was getting the black one with this, so that's kind of fun. It is really great, especially when you have really tiny little pieces that are stuck in the die from your paper. It's got this little blade thing on here, and then it's got this little rolly brush that you can push the pieces out with, and then there's an extra pokey thing. So it looks like it's actually one's bent. One of the pokey things is bent and the other one's straight. So that's pretty cool. And then in here, okay, so here's the instructions, which I'll need to get to. Ooh, and it's got the pretty pink plates, which I'm not going to lie, I love. And then all the other plates. And then the instructions, that was the other reason why I wanted to go with this. And I need the instructions right there in front of me. Makes my life easier. So let me get the crank all assembled and put together, and we will be back. Okay, so I have this all set up with the following the directions on there, and I decided to use the new scrapbook.com die that they sent to me to make a tag. And what I like about this free set was A, it was free, but B, it also has this really fun little hole reinforcer. And so in what I'm going to do now is I am going to pull this off of their super sticky tape and cut that out. And you know what? I think I have space for the heart also. I don't quite have space for the word yay or the shadow, but that's what they look like, and I will do those. Yep, I'll do those in another go round. And then I'm supposed to put the other C plate on. and run it through. Now, I kind of debated about, you know, this whole using it and my very first time on my pretty pink, because I was a little concerned about it. You know, it's the first time, and you don't want to see. This is the thing. You end up with these marks on your cutting plates. It's going to happen. It's just, there's no way to avoid that. It's going to happen. But now this lets me know this was my very first cut. And voila, here's our pretty tag and the heart and the little reinforcer, which of course I stuck the little tool aside, so now of course I don't have that right next to me. But anyway, that's where you would use the little pokey tool. So there we go. Thanks for watching.